Hello everyone. So I'm traveling right now, but I was told that to increase views for the algorithm, I should show my face. So we're doing a Raybands edition daily review. Anyways, let's get into it. So Friday is in between the dash line. You can see how we've just really went lower, and there was nothing really else to do. We've already cleared the buy orders in the market. So once we've accumulated Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday was the Federal Reserve interest rate. We had a volatility injection there, running the market higher. And Thursday, there was no trade, but it had just dumped all day. And then Friday had the unemployment rate, and there was a really good setup. There was actually a trade, dropping down to my 5-minute chart where I started looking for my trade. 8:30 was the unemployment rate. Had a huge volatility injection, so we had initial attempt lower, and that swing lower was then traded above. It was a false swing, and once we trade above it, that's when I can start to go down to the 1 minute and look for my entry. So it would be inside this pink fair value gap right there, right at 8:48. Now the problem with this is I was just about getting off the plane at this time, and I barely got onto the chart on time for like 9:10. Around like 9:10 is when I got situated. So I had missed the setup. It is what it is. I was on the plane. Nothing I could do about it. And usually I don't trade ahead of 9:30 open, except when there's a certain event like unemployment rate or inflation, consumer inflation, CPI, in the morning at 8:30, which causes a lot of volatility and can give a setup ahead of 9:30. But usually I don't trade ahead of 9:30. And then the rest of the day really just dumped and then moved sideways. We didn't really do anything the rest of the day, so it is what it is. I missed my trade, but there's always another week, and I'm excited to trade next week. I will be back. I'm in Vegas this weekend, so I'm gonna have fun in Vegas. Rate the fit, and yeah, stay tuned for next week.